Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I would like to talk about the assets that makes people rich. So most of our community are interested in making the wealth. So today in this video I would like to talk about the assets that makes people rich. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start this video by the assets. Number one is cash amount. Cash is the one of the assets that's making people rich because the interest paid by bank in these days are very less. So cash is one of the factors. Nowadays, one of the company that Apple that he keeps 200 billion in cash reserves. So you can imagine how big amount he can keep as a cash reserves. There are two reasons lots of rich people keep cash. That number one point is that being able to access any opportunity that present itself, because if you have cash you can get any opportunity that present in your scenario. Number two point is that because they can get higher returns straight from cash deals, like people don't have cash they can get your higher returns because bank giving very less interest. So if you have cash you can get higher returns straight from the cash deals by many other people. So this reason you can keep as cash is one of the assets that makes people rich. Number two point is real estate. We everybody loves real estates because of the two reasons, that rents. The rent coming every month without much involvement of work. So you can get the rent without involving your activities, like it is called passive income. So without involvement you get every month's rent. So that's why everybody should invest in real estates, so that nowadays population continuously increasing. So main demand is more, many people want to live in. So for that we need to provide the house and buildings to live there, fulfill their criteria. So because of that we can get the money without involvement of your work. So real estate is also one of the reason you can invest.
Residential buildings. People live in your properties and pay you rent. 2. Office buildings. People work in your property and pay you rent. 3. Commercial buildings. Businesses use your space to sell stuff and pay you rent. 4. Land, which can be cultivated, developed, or even left for appreciation. Super important. The house you live in isn't an asset, it's a liability. Number 3 point is stock. Investment in stock gives you major profits. So there are few reasons many rich people must invest in a stock market, because it's easy to investment in stocks and it prevents from inflation. Like sometime markets price very go, so you can get more and more profit by investment in a stock. So one of the reason many rich people are investment in a stock. So you can also put in money in a stock market to get more profits. So this is the reason you should invest in a stock market. You're a 10% owner in the business. This incredible breakthrough in financial instruments has allowed the average person to own a stake in some of the most lucrative companies of our day with very low entry barriers. Here's how much you need to pay to purchase one share into these companies. There are many platforms out there that allow you to purchase this type of share and invest it in the stock market. The most common and trending platforms for buying and trading stocks right now are Plus500, eToro.